The woman was woken up in the middle of the night by a noise in her house. She got out of bed and went to investigate. She found that the noise was coming from the kitchen. When she got there, she saw that the noise was coming from the fridge. The fridge was making a strange noise, and the woman was worried that something was wrong with it. She opened the fridge and found that the noise was coming from the back of the fridge. There was a mouse stuck in the back of the fridge and it was making the noise. The woman was relieved that it was just a mouse and not something more serious. She removed the mouse from the fridge and released it outside.